Guys doing? You know, these satellite controllers have been burning my face and teeth for over 6,000 days. And these people, we cannot accept any of their apologies. They've been stalking me, terrorizing me, burning on me with satellites, trying to claim that they were confused about who I am. These scars that I have on my face came from government when I was a little boy. It even says on those Treasury documents that if the government ever tries to mistake my identity, they must be arrested for criminal fabrications and their illegal positions of government and law enforcement. Why'd you damage my teeth, man? You're violating my parents. The U.S. government was in violation of my parents' status when the government trespassed on my mother and father's property. Who do you think lives at this little house, man? Me, and only me. You were confused at what house you were staring at? You were confused about the height of the person you were staring at? You were confused about the person's dental records you were staring at? Seems like you're making up lies, government man, about every confusion thing that your people have thought of. You've confused the same information every single day for over 6,000 days, over 27 years. You didn't know who somebody is. And I've been internationally famous since I was a little boy. Isn't that strange, man? You're still burning my teeth right now. You're trying to instigate something. Any accusations. If you tried to call me violent and you were beating me up, burning me with satellites, you're going to get the death penalty. Don't ever call me violent, man. Don't ever call me violent. I'll have legal right to execute you. You people have always been beating up on me. There's CIA and FBI reports about dirty government, meaning like there's reports about the CIA and the FBI and pedophiliacs and child molesters that have tried to hurt me since I was a little boy. People that they hit my throat. People that's tried to steal my identity, they're still burning my teeth right now. You need to put your information on record. Why you're doing that. Because of your mistakes, government man? No, you've caused years of damage to a person's teeth and face, saying you thought you'd just say you're sorry with your brutality. And those satellite controllers need to get arrested for illegal and false profiling. What's my license plate say on my vehicle, man? It's an Indiana University license plate. What's it say when you do a background check? Does it say who my mother and father are? My parents weren't criminals, man. And it is illegal for the government to be using government facilities to be burning on American people with satellites or international people. What are you doing? You think you're not in violation? You thought you owned somebody? If they tie you in with any serious or the teeth mutilation, you can get put on trial for execution. They can blow you up with military strikes. They can bring in military people from other countries to orchestrate the destruction of your location and who you are. And for declaring martial law against your satellite controllers and your families for damaging my face and teeth. Who do you think you are? All your information is false, man. You falsified information to stalk me. You falsified information to try to rape me is what you tried to do, you government faggot. And that motherfucker always communicates. He says, oh, you don't know who they are. Well, you're not me and you're not my parents. And this is America and you're violating family law. You're not a friend of mine. My friends would not do this. You think you're richer than me? We need the portfolios of every satellite controller in the courtroom. Every financial portfolio of every satellite controller in the courtroom. And the person that's damaged my teeth with that handheld laser or whatever they've done when they've grabbed me and then they've tried to play with my penis or they tried to play with my body. They tried to steal my blood and sperm. All those people need to go to court. None of those stolen children are allowed to be in sports, man. Those stolen children are not allowed to be entertainers either. And they're not allowed to work at any of my mother or father's companies. So you need to go into court for your poaching crimes and damaging teeth, government man. I'm not lowering my status for nobody, government man. You are in violation of my rights. And in reference to benefits checks that I was supposed to have received. And I don't know if the California benefits office tried to send me benefits or any other city and state. Following everything by the books, man. This whole situation criteria of what they have done, terrorizing my life and damaging my face and teeth, shows that I was supposed to have received benefits. The classifications of violations of dirty government constitutes the fact that I was supposed to have received lawsuit monies, benefits, insurance monies, and people were supposed to get arrested for physically assaulting me. I'm not your child, man. You better put your DNA in the courtroom. And they can execute you for what you've done to me with your lies and your falsifications of you and your people holding me hostage. Make sure you understand that. I know my freedom rights, man. I know my royal diplomatic immunity rights, too. Reference to your accusations. And those treasury laws say, don't ever touch my teeth, don't ever touch my face, don't ever try to put your government hands on me, government man. No matter what uniform you think you're wearing. Better quit hitting me in the throat. You think it's funny? Think it's funny, government man? Somebody's going to be hitting you in the throat when you're in fucking prison or something. Somebody's going to be burning your fucking face with a satellite, you motherfucker.